So hello, Mr. Ravi, and thank you so much for being with us on this 5 day, on this journey of this 5 day WhatsApp course on Career Relaunch Accelerator. Well, let me tell you that once you've already gone through the workshop, the course, I would actually want to share with you the intention why I designed this course and I came up with this course. My intention, my clear motive was to help all those mid-career professionals who are really, there are millions of people, professionals who are actually looking for a transition in their career, but there are two ways that they look to. One, that they are circumstantially bound to make a transition. The other, that they can actually aspire for one and they do it in a very conscious manner. But I found that most people belong to that first category, where they are somehow forced to make a transition, but it's a very painful journey that they go through. And by the time they understand that what they are actually going through, the transition is over, and the circumstances push them towards the next transition. So that's exactly why we came up with this kind of a framework design, so that people to help people understand what a transition is and what resilience is and how do they design their relaunch plan. And as promised, I think we have given, we have done everything that we could do in 5 days of this course. So I would want to know your authentic experience of these 5 days of interactions and activities and course that you did, from us. And I would want you to introduce yourself and your background, and then connect it to where we are today, post these 5 days of workshop. Over to you, Mr. Ravi.
Yeah, hi Ranjan. It's nice to connect with you. Yeah, I'm Ravikant. I work as professionally. I work as senior manager, corporate social responsibility division in an IT company from Vizag called Fluent Grid Limited. So, which is into smart cities and power utilities projects. So, I have been working there from 2015. But yes, my core area has always been sustainability. So, I have been working on environmental aspects. So, I run an environmental NGO called Mecons. So sustainability is something which I was always onto. Even my core education was into life sciences, but then I shifted my field into sustainability because that is what I'm passionate about. So yes, but a thing that has been in my mind from the last 1.5 years probably is to start something on my own also. Well, of course, not leaving what I'm doing now. So that is something, and I have been trying to find out how to do that. And that is when I also came across your workshop, and I know you personally and how effective your workshops are. So straight away I signed up, and yes, the 5 days experience was wonderful because, like I have already told you before, your workshops are something which make people do rather than just giving information. So that is one definitely wonderful takeaway from your workshops. So that is also what we experienced in these 5 days. So you made us do things and self-analyze, made us analyze ourselves more, so that we understand what are the resilient aspects we already have with us, and then how we can use it for the upcoming future, whatever decisions we need to, how we can use that framework. So that framework was built really well, and it's very simple, so which is important for everyone. Because to implement anything, it has to be very simple. So that was really wonderful, and I'm definitely looking forward to the intensive part as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. This word, since you're already passionate about this, something called as sustainability. Let me tell you how I grew curious about sustainability about one's own self, first of all.
Yeah.
And when you're looking at sustainability of life, sustainability of planet, sustainability of everything outside, I was curious to understand what is that something that can help us become sustainable from within. And that's exactly where I understood that this is that missing link in a professional's life, that once understood, probably that would make someone self-reliant, and instead of banking upon something from outside which is circumstantial, they start depending upon that resource which is within. But often on, like, I came across a number of courses, number of things where I found that there is a lot of information, but that element of making you realize things from such depth was missing, and that inspired me to create this simple structure. And as promised, I'm sure you will agree with me, our motive was to make complex things simple and then simpler. So that is how we went ahead with this thing. So I would want to ask you that since you yourself have been into training and learning and so much on your own as well. So tell me, how important is this concept of uh, building professional resilience for people between 30 and 45 for their own career, or to become sustainable in their professional lives?
Yeah, one thing just now you told individual sustainability is important, and that reminds me why, of course, health and well-being are also part of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So even that is also one of the reasons why I also started pursuing training, because just saying people to take care of environment is wrong, because they need to understand themselves, develop themselves, and then once they become independent and sustainable, then they can take care of environment or other aspects. And when it comes to relevance of this particular framework for people between 20 to 30 or 30 to 35 even, I think this is really important, especially in today's world, because previously in one or two generations before, if we see, they used to stick with whatever they have, they're based on their educational background. But now that is not the case. People are shifting their careers based on their interest, based on the opportunities, based on their locations. They are shifting, so they need to have a lot of flexibility, and that flexibility and resilience is also one very important aspect, because once they shift their fields, or once they shift their job profiles, there will be a lot of stress, and one needs to have a lot of resilience to face all this. So that way, this workshop is going to help a lot for all those people.
Exactly, Ravi. Now, I see that the amount of stress that professionals undergo, and the kind of lives that most of them are leading in many organizations, it's like they're living at the mercy of the organization. And instead of understanding how to become self-reliant and how to have their own resilience plan, probably they are left to the decision of somebody outside on where their career is going to, like, is headed towards. And this made me empathize with them and to understand that how can one become self-reliant, and what could be the easiest understanding and easiest framework to relaunch their careers. Because as you rightly said, with the pace of development and advancement that is happening, probably we are not at a juncture where we have 10 years to reinvent ourselves. And I see that probably every 3 months there is a demand circumstantially to reinvent yourself. And at least if there is a given opportunity of 1 year, then probably that is not anywhere close to what people used to do earlier. So the reason for coming up with this five day model and the structure that you also shared your happiness about is that one should become capable enough to understand the relaunch plan in 5 days, and they should be able to relaunch themselves in the next 10 days. So that was the whole concept. So I would want you to share, like, do you now the timing of this thing, because do you think it is highly important now, and what do you think we are going to miss if we are missing on this resilience factor these days?
Yeah, I mean timing. Yes, of course, it is more apt now because of the COVID-19 situation, where many people have lost jobs, and many people might be thinking of shifting their jobs. But even keeping that apart, I think resilience is something which people should have always. It is not essential that only during a disaster or something like that. So resilience is definitely needed at every point of our life, because we don't know at what time what's going to happen, especially now keeping the situations in view, even the environmental aspects also. So we don't know when what will happen, and what kind of decisions can be taken by our companies or governments. So definitely resilience is important, and that is why the workshop that you have designed plays an important role at any point of career.
Yeah, thank you, Ravi. As you rightly said, resilience is something that's not just for one time in life. It is something that one needs to have forever. In spite of knowing this, would you agree with me? In spite of knowing this, and in spite of we being resilient most of the times in our personal lives, I somewhere noticed that people who enter into their 30s and are in their early 40s, suddenly there is a deep fall in their professional resilience, and they feel that there is only so much they can do about relaunching themselves, or they feel that there are so many limitations that they cannot probably see their career through these limitations. And I'm sure you must have come across a number of people, in 30s and early 40s. The kind of language they speak is a victim language, because I believe that they somewhere lack the plan for it. And once we hand over them this simple plan, and where they actively engage with it and understand what this is, and they get into development of the plan, then probably I think there is a lot that anybody can achieve between their 30s and 45s, and probably they can actually take a quantum leap in their own professional lives. What do you say, Mr. Ravi?
Yeah, one more thing. I mean, another perspective probably of the same thing is probably people below 30 they generally look out for opportunities. But people after 30, what they try to do is they try to settle with whatever they are, and they don't often think about resilience or any career changing plans. So that is also where the workshop has a good value, because the kind of exercises we are doing, they are able to tell us what are our passions, which side we want to go, what are the opportunities we can actually start embracing now. So that realization is there in the session, so which is important for people. And of course, once more people get to know their resilience aspect, definitely more people will break out their comfort zones, and definitely more opportunities will be embraced by them. So that is one really good output that people will get out of this workshop.
Thank you so much, Ravi. And since you are already joining the intensive part, I'm so excited to take you into my journey of that 10-day part, because now that you have seen that this 5-day journey that we had together through this career relaunch accelerator program, I'm sure you have seen that we don't need so many complex things to relaunch ourselves. It can be so simple that you can have a broad framework right in front of you in just a matter of a few hours. And with a little reflection, and with a little mentoring and suggestions and advice, probably there is a lot that many of us can do. And as the commitment goes from our side, we have been doing to ensure that we add more and more value. How would you rate the value that was given in this 5-day course?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, what we have paid is nothing. The output or the kind of experience that we had these 5 days, the kinds of experience sharing between people, or the kind of examples that you have given, definitely what we have paid is nothing, and definitely the value is definitely 10 to 15 folds or even more than that. That is only to say roughly, but I would say it is unvaluable, because one cannot value these things, because they might make a difference which is worth 1,000 rupees. The same thing might make a difference worth crores of rupees in the long term as well. So yes, it cannot be so easy to do that.
Thank you so much, Ravi. What would be your, since you are a professional and you have also gone through a number of seminars and workshops and trainings, you are a trainer yourself, and since you have gone through these 5 days of training, what would be your word of recommendation in general for people between 30 and 45 about relaunching their careers and professional resilience, uh, and how to make the best use of this opportunity of the present existing situation due to COVID, and what would be your word of recommendation for them?
Yeah, now I mean, because of COVID, people are more free now. So that is one really good opportunity that they should start attending these sessions, because this is something, like I said, it is important for everyone. So especially between people 30 to 40, because they don't tend to think about their resilience and how to shift to other jobs or change their career paths. So they don't often think about it. But once they go through these workshops, definitely they will start pondering on those things. And once they implement, definitely they will make wonders in their life, and grow into good individuals and successful individuals. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ravi. And finally, before we leave, I would want, on a very personal note, I would want you to share one key insight that you found very profound and impactful, and that you really got attracted to, and that really helped you through these 5 days of workshop.
Yeah, that one aspect that I already shared with you is about the company that we work for. So we always think about the company from individual perspective. or from the company perspective, but not from a perspective from outside. So which is something that I have learned in this workshop. So that is one very important aspect, I think, because once we start thinking about it, it makes a huge of difference, and it's let you understand your company more. So that is, yeah, that is definitely one of the best takeaways from this workshop for me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much for being part of this workshop. Thank you so much for a fantastic review and your authentic opinion and sharing of your experience of the workshop, 5-day career relaunch accelerator. And yes, I'm all excited again to join with you in the next 10-day workshop, which is an intensive part. And as everybody from your batch is excited about it, I'm equally excited to join with you. And thank you so much for being part of this review call. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for creating such a wonderful framework. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.